What's up, guys? Back at again with another video. Today we're playing Bird Tour. It's on itch.
Wait,
So.
it's a spider down. There's a spider.
So yeah, we're gonna be playing Bird Tour. So this is creepy as hell, bro.
Oh, there's a spider right there. Why?
Ah!
We're good.
Mines. Hurry, mines.
Where?
Mike, run! It's okay.
Where?
I don't see it.
It's okay.
Marco, we're gonna
It's
die.
okay. Oh, it's right there! It's right! In actuality, he was there the entire time, bro. He was there. Let's go to maps, bro. Let's go to the maps there. This game
Like, I'm
fucking
remaking
fun.
this game. It's gonna be so cool.
Guys, let's go to Area 51.
Yes.
Bet.
Yes.
Oh my
I'm trying
god.
to climb up Area 51. Ah! Guys, climb up.
I'm gonna be remaking this
Let's
game
go. Guys, climb
to
up.
make it even better.
Never
Bro,
mind.
it's already a good game. Plus,
Yeah,
it's
I know.
this
Also
game's gonna
make it good.
this game's gonna get more updates soon, anyway.
Give me Mario.
So they can climb.
Never mind.
They didn't see the big one. Get the big
my
one.
controller. My
Get the
controller
big
just
ones.
fucking died.
Get the big one.
So next map, let's go to level 188.
What do you mean next map? No, go back. We gotta get the
Oh.
big ones. We gotta get the big
Let's go
ones.
get the. Let's go to 188. Honestly, I hate Area 51. It's buns.
188. This one?
Yeah, 188.
Alright, you go through, I go through.
Oh, let's go.
That guy still had.
Yo,
Yo,
6 7 1888.
he went in.
Oh, we go.
So I'm starting to think this was a horrible, horrid
oh my
idea.
god. The fuck?
Larry, you cannot leave. You can't leave.
Yo.
What he said.
Yo.
Yo, Lucy's about to get someone.
Ah!
Tung tung sahur. Tung tung sahur.
Oh my god, Lucy
You just
absolutely.
got snatched, bro. Tung tung sahur. Tung tung sahur. Okay, guys. So, Cheetah, what are we
Wait,
gonna
have
do?
they updated this game yet? Like is it? Okay, no.
Cheetah.
It's the same update.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
How many monsters are there?
Cheetah.
Why is it just you
So
and
how do
me
we leave?
speaking? Why is it just you and me speaking? What you?
That thing is loud, bro.
bro. Jesus.
I don't think so. Did you check?
188 room
Just open up your
188.
menu and go to the party. Actually, no, I got it easier because I got the old menus. No, he left. Yo, Cheetah. Cheetah.
Yeah, we can
Cheetah.
escape, man. Coming again.
When you gonna join back?
I'm not
Or is that
cheating.
you? Oh, you have the same cosmetics as him.
Oh. Yo, we have to die.
Yeah, let's just die. It's not too spooky. Lower your volume.
What are you
Okay,
doing?
so-
What are you doing?
Okay, guys, let's go to map.
Go to Matt's game forward. Yo, let's go to the forest.
Yo, let's go forward.
You know what, guys, I know what map.
Yo,
Go to DD map.
Yo, what are y'all saying? Yo, we should...
Bro, oh hell no, bro. What is this ambient? Also, what map is this?
Stand down.
Guys, let's go to Brick Maze. Everybody go to Brick Maze.
I'm just gonna get headphones.
Bro. Yo, look at them.
There's a certain reason there's that ambience. Be careful, Amir. Stay away from here.
You can touch it. You're fine.
Someone's gonna get slimed.
Bro, what was that? Oh hell
No, I'm
no.
scared.
It's scary, bro. Let's go to Brick Maze.
What's in
No,
there?
Daddy.
Smart question.
I'm scared, Daddy. Oh yeah,
Brick Maze.
I'd rather do normal.
Brick maze?
What do we want to do? What do we want to do? Should we do Brick Maze, Roblox Mansion, or Maze?
Roblox
because
Mansion.
Roblox is shit. And I never
Okay,
played
yeah,
that
guys, let's
before.
go to Roblox. He already went in.
What is this?
Yo, I'm
Roblox.
going
Is this not nigger blocks?
Roblox
Guys,
Mansion?
I'm gonna remake this game. It's gonna be so cool.
You've said that for like the
Once
second
the
of
remake
like,
comes
like
out.
the many of times, bro. We already know, gang. You don't.
Run!
What? Yo,
With
here's
enough
a fucking-
determination,
Ow.
I shall did it.
Oh, I see one. I see a Ain't no way. Holy, absolutely bomber clap, bro. What the
It
fuck?
ain't even making any noise!
What the
It
fuck?
ain't even making any
What the
noise! We're in the Roblox.
Oh no,
What
why
the
you lagging?
Someone just got slammed out.
Oh, maps right here.
Oh, he
Oh.
fell out. He fell out.
Yo.
We're good.
Yo, this is
What?
Yo, no, what
Oh.
map did y'all go in? What map did y'all go in?
Yo.
I might make a purchase.
Yo,
Yo, let's go
Where'd y'all
to
go
Jimmy
in?
City.
Where'd you
Roblox-
get the
no,
game?
can we go? No. I
Yeah,
love this
Roblox
map. I love
Mansion,
this
Roblox
map.
Mansion.
Dude, I love this map, bro.
I'm
This map was my favorite map in freaking Fun Monkey Horde.